Are you struggling with manufacturing processes due to lack of precision, parts warping, getting unstable or unrepeatable results? Are you burning through consumables and getting inconsistent outcomes? Well, have you ever thought about using a laser to solve those manufacturing problems? In processes like laser welding, you can achieve better quality at faster speeds while minimizing heat input into the workpiece. What's fascinating about laser processes is you have a tool that shoots invisible light onto the workpiece with power densities over 1,000,000 times greater than the surface of the sun, with a tool edge sharper than a human hair, operating at speeds faster than the eye can see. So what happens when you tweak power density, interaction time, and wavelength? Well, that's when the magic happens. When you partner with ATS, you can rest assured you're in capable hands. With over 40 years of experience, we have successfully delivered over 25,000 automation systems with over 500 laser systems. Our machines operate with high speeds and extreme precision. We are pushing the boundaries when it comes to automation and laser systems, ensuring you receive robust solutions using cutting-edge technology to meet the highest standards.